The entire membership of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association is dedicated proudly to the provision of quality nursing and midwifery services for the good people of Ghana. The nation's health sector has been profoundly impacted by the contributions of then pioneers of the association, founded by Dr. DOCIA Kisseih, who was its president for 10 years. As the first Ghanaian to be the country's chief nursing officer after British colonial rule ended, she was influential in pioneering developments in the nursing and midwifery professions, especially nursing education. Besides being a lecturer, she was the first nurse in Ghana to attain a doctoral degree. Her portrait graces the 1983 to 1991 issue of the 100 cedi note of Ghana in honor of her dedication to her profession.
The Dr. DOCIA KISSEIH Memorial Lecture was instituted on 30th July 2015 by the then administration led by Dr. Asante. Since then, we've had 2 other lectures, and the 4th edition is going to be held on 11th November 2020. This edition is special because it's part of our 60th anniversary celebrations, and in fact GRNMA turns 60 on 20th March 2020.
The GRNMA, as part of its 60th anniversary celebration, is holding the 4th edition of the Dr. DOCIA KISSEIH Memorial Lecture on 11th November 2020 under the theme Policy, Politics and the Nursing and Midwifery Professions in Ghana, a Need for Change.
It is our hope that all the quadrant, that is the regulatory body, the union, academia, and the Office of the Director Nursing and Midwifery Services at the Ministry of Health, as well as the Ghana Health Service, will be represented to discuss the theme into detail and identify the gaps for us to see how to address them in the nearest future.
The event marks GRNMA's 60 years of dedicated nursing and midwifery services to the people of Ghana through devoted leadership from the founder, Dr. DOCIA KISSEIH herself, and followed by other dynamic leaders in the persons of Professor Ayodele Akiwumi, 1971 to 1974, Mrs. Edith Saki-Korte, 1975 to 1982, Miss Sarah Roberta Addison, 1983 to 1986, Miss Comfort Isiama, 1987 to 1991, Mr. Donald Samini, 1992 to 1994, Mrs. Emma Helen Banga, 1995 to 2003, Mrs. Alice Diasari Alote, 2003 to 2011, Dr. Asante, 2011 to 2019.
So let me use this opportunity to wish all our members a happy 60th anniversary again, and we hope that as we move forward, we will all come on board and assist the GRNMA to make the union bigger and stronger in the years ahead.